Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then you need to tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you need to tap on Not Now or just OK right away. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo, which in this case is an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Sony. Also on an Android, using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. If you prefer to scan the QR code, use the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and then point your device's camera at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!